Welcome to SwiftTech's How-To series. In this video, we're going to take a look at how you can bulk update alt text using Help Center Manager. Alt text, or alternative text, is a brief text description of an image embedded in a web page's HTML. Its main purpose is to make images accessible to users who may not be able to view them due to visual impairments, a slow internet connection, or a broken image link. Screen readers also use alt text to convey the content and purpose of images to visually impaired users. It also serves as fallback text if the image fails to load. If your help center or knowledge base runs on Zendesk Guide, updating the alt text of images can be cumbersome, especially if you need to do it for many images at once. Let's take a look at this in a real-life example. First, you need to find the articles that contain images without alt text, and the only option is to go through each article one by one. Then, you need to open the article in the editor, go into the source code, find the image, and manually add the alt text. You'll need to do this for each article in your help center, potentially hundreds of times. That's why we built a way to generate or change alt text in bulk using Help Center Manager. We've made the task very simple. Start by adding a filter, and then choose alt text and not present. This will show you all the images in your help center that don't have alt text. Select them all, and then click Change Alt Text. You'll see a couple of options. You can generate alt text using AI, or use the same alt text for all images. If the images are all similar, using the same alt text is effective, like in this example, where we'll add the text sunflowers. There's also an option to skip images that already have alt text. The more powerful option that most people choose to use is Generate with AI, which detects what is showing in the image and provides an accurate output. In this test, I'll choose to generate with AI and use a fallback text. In less than a minute, the alt text is generated and automatically updated in your articles. And here's a good example of the output. 2 pale pink roses among green leaves. Very accurate. Give it a try, and thanks for watching.